Look no further than the 2022 Landrover Range Rover Sport. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this exceptionally well-built Landrover Range Rover Sport, the midsize luxury SUV that offers impressive off-road capability, impressive performance, and a premium passenger experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power liftgate, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat. Life is short, drive it well. Get into this exceptional Range Rover Sport. Come in for a road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.